First, I want to allay those fears and concerns that GSU officers raided your offices. In fact, yes, I can confirm that there were presence of GSU officers within the county, but just doing their normal patrols. They are part of the National Police Service, and they were doing patrols because, as you know, in the recent few weeks, we have had some engagements between the border groups. You know, we have some groups of border allied to various political leaders here, and again, there were concerns from members of public that they have been mistreated. There have been motorbikes have been detained by these other border groups in an office behind county assembly offices. So we were able to close those offices and declare a crime scene. That was on Friday. So our officers, the GSU, were today on a normal patrol. In fact, they came at around 9, not at 8 as you are saying, Your Excellency. So, you know, they are new in this place, and when they were doing their patrols, they decided to go and relax at the stadium. They didn't know whether your officers were located at the stadium. You know very well that there is a signage here at the streets, entering Kisii, that is written very clearly, Office of the Governor. So they didn't know whether the officers were located there. A stadium is a public place. We didn't know whether your officers were located at the stadium. And you can confirm that you went there. If in case they were to block you, wangesimama pale kwa gate wa kublock mheshimiwa. Ulienda pale ukaongea na wao. There was no resistance. You were not blocked to access your office. So there was no any intention. There was nothing like blocking you. There was nothing like, it's good you are confirming that there are stories going around. Those are just stories. Blockers can do anything. So rest assured that nobody is targeting you, nobody is targeting your people, and our objective, and my objective as the county police commander, is to ensure that our county is safe. You can confirm from me that we have been holding consultations about the security of this county. So those stories that we are talking of, that there are so stories going around, no. There's nobody who wants to harm you. Excellence. That's my position.
Commander, you know you have responded like a police officer, yes, as usual.
That's the correct position. That's the correct position. And if you can see those pictures going around,